Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a LiveChat to helpdesk. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your LiveChat account and go to the bottom left and click on the gear icon right here or the settings icon. Down here, as you can see under channels, you have email by helpdesk. What you'll do is just click on it. Now go ahead and click on try 14-day helpdesk trial like so and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it says that the application has been completed. Now, if you haven't got this specific confirmation, if it asks you to create or log in with your helpdesk account, well, just go and log in or create an account, okay? It didn't ask me because I'm currently logged into the same browser, okay? Now, going back in here, just going to close this pop-up. In here, as you can see, it needs us to choose our email provider, and the instructions will be provided right here. For example, Microsoft Outlook as well, okay, or 365, or even other providers right here. All right. Now, if you want to access advanced helpdesk settings for your team, tickets, channels, and more, you can go ahead and click on Manage Helpdesk, like so. There you have it. Okay. As you can see here in the left panel, under our helpdesk account, LiveChat is now on. All you need to do is just import your agents and group, canned responses, and import your tags as well. All right, and as you can see here, or as you might have noticed in the left panel, we now have the helpdesk icon or section. So just go ahead and click on it, and here you have your helpdesk account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.